30 minutes to find as many profitable deals searching the biggest websites in the UK. My name's Damien, welcome back to the channel. This is Deal Hunters, and what we're looking to do is search and find as many profitable deals as possible. Last week's video on Dunelm was a stinker where we made zero money, not profitable at all. Today's video, we're going to look at a more reputable website, especially for online arbitrage deals. The website is Argos. But before we get into it, let me explain exactly what we're about. The whole channel is set up to give you a start in online arbitrage and retail arbitrage. You can search online for deals, you can go to retail stores. We will tell you exactly how to set up your own business. We have a 7-part series, which I'll share the link to now. You can watch that and it'll give you a step-by-step guide, very basic, on how to set up your own Amazon business today. We also have deals that we give you for free in our free deal group. Check out the deal group down below, but we'll talk more about that. I'm so excited about getting into this video. Let's go. I've just came down here, sunlight's better. I'm gonna hit the timer right now. Let's go. So the first thing you're gonna do is go to top cashback. Don't forget, guys, you can make some serious money doing top cashback. If you go to earnings here, you'll see over £1,000 claimed in the year. So every penny does help. Argos, I think, is 5% for new beginners and 1% for recurring and existing customers. Hit get cashback. It will then bring you to Argos's website. You just need to make the purchase at the end and then it tracks. And if it doesn't track, you just chase them up with your order number and that's usually sorted. First thing you'll do is go to the website, you'll scroll down, go to clearance. This is the key area. We'll kick it off by looking at toys because I find toys very profitable. So straight away, out of stock. This is based on my location, by the way, so out of stock. You wouldn't go near this big thing. We'll try this. Just right click, we'll use BuyBot Pro. This is the short tool. Again, links for BuyBot Pro down below. Not only do you get discount in BuyBot Pro, but you'll also get 2 weeks free to Deal Hunters. Straight away, $13.75, guys. We look like we've straight off the bat found a deal. We'll just double check this. Hit analyze. 121%, 484 ROI. Great deal. Not selling particularly great now. Not selling phenomenal. Let's see what our AI is saying. It's above average. Not too bad. Saying buy 4, 2 to 3 sales a month. Not brilliant. But let me see how many I can buy. I'm going to try and buy 10. Trying to clear it out. So what we'll do is we'll hit trolley. This is based on my location as well. Only one delivery, but if I go to pay now, can I get more in store? It'll tell me not. There you go. So I could buy 10. And the good thing is when you go to the store, you potentially they could have 50 and you could clear the shelf of them. I wouldn't go too much on them because there is that low sales, but that is a very good start. We're only 5 minutes in. Let's go back to clearance and see what else we can get. Again, going back into toys. Oh, that looks decent. Lego down. Let's see. We'll use SAS this time just for a bit of change. Let's see. Oh, yeah. It's selling on Amazon for £1, so no profit in that. It doesn't really devastate me that much. You expect to find very little deals at times, but it's only need a couple. As you can see, our first deal, we're going to get £40 from buying at least 10. So it's already probably paid for, but if we can get another couple, it would be brilliant. Let's see. Our lowest ever price. Oh, it doesn't there. So what you need to do is just keep looking, keep looking. No, it's not there. That's a shame. Keep looking. Okay, we've got this game here, Perfection. We'll just use SAS again for the banter. Oh, so it's not that one. As you can see, it doesn't match. It's this one. And this is £12. 33%, pretty low sales, but for £4, that looks like a great deal. We're up to 2, fantastic. We're about 20 minutes in now, so we'll maybe go look at something a bit more profitable. For example, let's see, shop. Health and beauty. I never really think about going into health and beauty. You just don't think aftershaves and stuff, but let's have a look. Just going to take a second out to please like and subscribe to Deal Hunters for your best FBA videos. That is corny. Okay, this looks like a cheap. £8. Refreshing I have the body. I need it refreshed. 250 mil. This is a match. 8 quid. This looks like it's going to be very profitable. This looks like it's going to be good in profit. Definitely right. Romance, yeah, romance. Okay. 459, 57%. That looks like a good deal. Oh, but it's not in stock. Why did I not check that first? Rookie mistake. See, this is why I don't search for deals no more, because yes, you've got your BuyBot Pro, it keeps you right, but I just use deal hunters. That's why. I forgot, rookie mistake, guys, rookie mistake. Didn't check the stock levels. And these are the types of things, even with the most experience, you can forget. But I like that, that was a good deal. Davy Beckham, not in stock. Not in stock. But that would be a bloody good profitable deal, like. But the reason being is that I've actually sold the Davy Beckham stuff myself, so I know, yeah, nearly double your money. That's a real shame. Keep looking. Cheaper on Amazon. Right, we've only 5 minutes left. We've got 2 deals so far. We're gonna go back into toys. Online. Oh. 750. Oh, no profit on it, bastard. We better jiggle. Let's go. This is probably the last, guys. The last one we're going to be able to get our hands on. Let's see. Jiggle. Jiggle. £11 on Amazon. Jesus God. So there you have it. We found 2/3 deals. I'm going to count to 3, but I'm going to follow you back upstairs because now the sunlight has hit me. I swear to God, I really should just bring the big light down. But anyway. That's the video. So we found 3 profitable deals in half an hour. I'm very happy with that. The only thing I ask for you now is to please like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. And secondly, can you please comment down below what stores you would like us to search next? Very, very keen to search every store that is recommended to us, and we'll try to do this on a regular weekly basis to try and keep searching and show you hopefully how easy it can be at times to find deals, but also show you the other side where you may find no deals. When I was starting Amazon FBA, I tried to do as much of this myself. As you grow, you will want to hire either a virtual assistant or join a deal sheet. It's just the natural progression. If you're keen to just get stuck in straight away, we highly recommend our deal sheet. Deal Hunters offer fantastic deals. This deal sheet is not saturated. We are not like the other ones. I'm not going to mention names, but the majority of them, if not all of them, get their deals saturated. They just give them out to hundreds and hundreds of people. They don't care. Deal Hunters, we pride ourselves in caring. So once we get for 40 members in one deal sheet, we then move on to another deal sheet. We hire virtual assistants to source deals. Myself and my team then verify those deals and proof them. So not only are we getting someone to find them, they send them to us and then we sign off on them before they go to you. So without you having to really worry about it, you can just literally buy deals and start making money on Amazon today. It is the fastest growing e-commerce business. You really are missing out starting your own business and being financially free. It is by far the best decision that I have ever made, and I highly recommend anyone to join us. Feel free to reach out to us and we can get chatting today to start your Amazon journey. Again, thank you for watching. We'll catch you in the next video. Peace.